Imagine this, a legendary American nameplate roaring back to life with modern muscle, cutting-edge tech, and luxury-level refinement. And that's exactly what we're exploring today here on Gravity Automotive. Because the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS isn't just a comeback story, it's a statement. And for the first 30 seconds, let me hook you with this. What if Chevrolet took everything people loved about the classic Impala SS, the aggressive presence, the V8 attitude, the comfort of a full-size sedan, and fused it with 2026-level performance tech, hybrid intelligence, and premium safety, creating a car that can challenge modern luxury sedans while still keeping that raw American soul alive? Because the moment you see the 2026 Impala SS, the design alone tells you this is no ordinary sedan. With a wide, low-slung stance, an athletic silhouette, and a bold front fascia dominated by a blacked-out performance grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, an illuminated Chevrolet bow tie, and functional air intakes that don't just look aggressive but actually help cool the powertrain, while the sculpted hood hints at serious power underneath. Moving to the side profile where long flowing lines, frameless windows, 20 or optional 21-inch performance alloy wheels, and red SS brake calipers instantly remind you that this car blends muscle car DNA with executive sedan elegance. And at the rear, a sleek fastback-inspired design, full-width LED taillights, quad exhaust outlets, and a subtle carbon fiber lip spoiler complete a look that feels both modern and unmistakably Impala. But the real magic begins once you step inside, because the 2026 Impala SS interior feels like Chevrolet finally decided to compete directly with premium brands, offering a driver-focused cockpit wrapped in soft-touch materials, genuine aluminum and optional carbon fiber trims, contrast stitching, and SS badging everywhere it matters, with a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a massive 15-inch curved central touchscreen running the latest Google-based Chevrolet infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, voice assistant, and over-the-air updates, while ambient lighting with customizable colors sets the mood, and the flat-bottom heated steering wheel gives you instant performance vibes. The front seats are aggressively bolstered yet incredibly comfortable, available in leather, Alcantara, or a performance suede option with heating, ventilation, massage functions, and memory settings, while rear passengers enjoy limo-like legroom, rear climate controls, USB-C ports, and optional rear seat entertainment screens, making this car just as suitable for long highway cruises as it is for spirited driving. And speaking of driving, under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS offers multiple powertrain choices to satisfy both purists and future-focused buyers. Starting with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 producing around 400 horsepower for those who want balance and efficiency, but the headline grabber is the SS Performance variant, featuring a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 or a mild hybrid assisted V8 setup, pushing approximately 480 to 500 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts and smooth cruising, while a performance-tuned exhaust gives that deep, unmistakable American growl. And for the first time ever, Chevrolet could also introduce a performance-oriented hybrid SS eAWD version using electric motors on the front axle to deliver instant torque, improved traction, and better fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance, enabling 0 to 60 miles per hour times in the low 4-second range, which is insane for a full-size sedan. And when it comes to handling, this isn't your old-school floaty Impala, because the 2026 model rides on a modern rear-wheel drive platform with available all-wheel drive, adaptive magnetic ride control suspension, multiple drive modes including Tour, Sport, Track, and Snow, electronic limited slip differential, and massive Brembo brakes that provide serious stopping power, making the Impala SS feel planted, confident, and surprisingly agile through corners, while still delivering a smooth and comfortable ride on daily commutes. And safety is another area where Chevrolet goes all in, equipping the 2026 Impala SS with a full suite of advanced driver assistance features as standard, including adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keep assist with lane centering, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, traffic sign recognition, a 360-degree surround view camera, parking assist, and an optional Super Cruise hands-free driving system for compatible highways, transforming long-distance driving into a relaxed, stress-free experience. And practicality hasn't been forgotten either, with a large trunk offering generous cargo space, split-folding rear seats, hands-free power trunk access, and smart storage solutions throughout the cabin, making this a genuine everyday performance sedan rather than just a weekend toy. Now let's talk numbers everyone is waiting for, because pricing for the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS is expected to start around $45,000 for the base performance model, while fully loaded SS trims with V8 or hybrid performance setups could climb to around $60,000 to $65,000, positioning it as a value-packed alternative to European performance sedans that often cost significantly more. And as for the release date, if Chevrolet greenlights this revival, we could realistically expect an official reveal in late 2025 with showroom availability sometime in mid to late 2026, which honestly would be perfect timing considering the growing demand for performance sedans that still offer comfort, space, and daily usability. And when you step back and look at the full picture, the 2026 Impala SS feels like more than just a car. It feels like Chevrolet reclaiming a piece of its heritage while pushing boldly into the future, offering a machine that blends muscle, luxury, technology, and performance in a way that feels authentic, exciting, and uniquely American. And if this is truly the direction Chevrolet takes, then trust me, the Impala SS comeback could be one of the most exciting automotive stories of the decade. And here on Gravity Automotive, we'll be watching it very closely, because legends don't just return quietly, they come back louder, stronger, and more thrilling than ever.